Welcome to the pristine waters of Zambia, a landlocked nation defined by its vast lakes and winding rivers that sustain millions. Beneath the surface lies incredible biodiversity, home to over 400 species, including the prized Nile perch, fierce tigerfish, and the green-headed bream. In the north, the deep waters of Lake Tanganyika serve as a primary source for both large Nile perch and the tiny silver carpenter. Further south, Lake Kariba offers a different bounty, where the powerful tigerfish is known for leaping out of the water in a dramatic display. The serene wetlands of Lake Bangweulu and the Zambezi River provide specialized habitats for unique species like the distinctive bulldog fish. Fishing methods vary greatly across the country. Small-scale fishers still use traditional traps, woven baskets, and hand-carved dugout canoes on the rivers. At night, the water transforms. Shimmering lamps are placed on the surface to attract fish, creating a beautiful landscape of flickering lights. In contrast, commercial operations utilize motor-powered boats and massive gill nets to harvest fish at a scale that feeds growing urban populations. On Lake Tanganyika, specialized lusenga hand nets are skillfully used to scoop schools of carpenter from the water's surface. Preservation is key, from modern cold storage and canning factories to traditional smoking over open firewood. Various methods keep the catch fresh. The most common sight in fishing villages is rows of carpenter being sun-dried on wooden racks, a vital method for long-term storage. Logistics play a crucial role as refrigerated vans travel long distances from the northern lakes to bring fish to the central markets. In cities like Lusaka and across the Copperbelt, modern retail outlets ensure that consumers have access to high-quality Zambian fish. Despite its success, the industry faces challenges, particularly the vast distances and infrastructure needed to connect remote lakes to southern markets. As the sun sets, the fishing industry remains a vital lifeline, fueling Zambia's economy and providing food security for its people.